What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I will give you a quick overview of the Close CRM business platform and its features. So Close.com is a great platform for CRM or customer relationship management that can help you increase your contacts and leads. So here is the website. So their website is Close.com, pretty easy. And here, if you open or if you type in Close.com and open their website, you will land on their homepage here, where you have like an overview here of the platform and its features. So here, the CRM built for growth, and you have like a video demo here that you can play to give you a demo of the platform. And you have their products like CRM overview, communication, automation, and so on. And their pricing, we'll get to that in a second. Blog, resources, about, and so on. And you can log in here to your account if you already have one, or try it or sign in to try it for free. And if you scroll down here, you can see that it is trusted by over 6,500 startups and small businesses to manage their customer relationships. And here some reviews from their customers and some tools that you can use, or like screenshots or of overview of the features here. And they tell you how it works. So you set up your account and then you get like these tools for selling and automate outreach. Okay, so and so on. So here you get the idea, and they tell you that it integrates with many tools such as like Google Calendar, Zoom, Microsoft, and so on. So that is pretty good. And now let's go ahead and show you how to create an account and the main dashboard. So here I will click on try Close or start your 14 days free trial. But before that, let's take a look at their pricing, their plans, or their prices. So if I open the pricing, you'll see that they have 3 plans here. I can change from annual billing to monthly billing here. So they have 3 plans: the startup plan, which is $49, the professional plan, which is $299, and the enterprise plan, which is $699. Here, the startup includes 1 user, the professional includes 3 users, and the enterprise includes 5 users. And you can scroll down to view the benefits and like the features of each plan here in a comparison to choose the plan that is best for you. So for now, let's start the 14 days free trial. So I'll click on that. And here is the sign up page. You can sign up with Google or sign up with your details and email. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my name and email and sign up. And once I've entered my email and password here, they open this page here where I can connect my email or connect my Google or Microsoft accounts to start getting the contacts from my email and start their business. And I can also do that later. I can skip this step. So I'll skip it. And then they ask you to verify your email, and once I verify it, they will open this page. So here I'll enter my details, so my phone number, my company name, industry, and so on. So let's go ahead and fill all these details. Okay, so as you see here, the dashboard is now opened. My name here and the name of my company, how to simple. You have here many options, and you have like an example lead here, since I have not added any leads to my account. So you have here the example lead, the about here. You can visit their blog spot here, so the blog.close.com, and you have 2 tasks here in this lead. So send the sales team an email and call Close sales team. So here you can mark this task as done, or edit this task. So if I edit it here, I can edit it. So send the sales team approval, for example. Okay, I edited it, enter. And you can also edit, okay, let's go back to edit. You can also edit the date, the time, and assign user to this task, and so on. So here I'll go ahead and save it. And the second task, let's say we did it. So call Close sales team, we did it. So it is now done. And we can here mark it as incomplete, so we can complete it. We have 2 opportunities here. We have, sorry, 1 opportunity here for $500. So if we go ahead and view it, we can also edit it. So it's a demo completed. We can change the status. So proposal sent, contract sent, won or lost, and we can manage these statuses here. We can also set an estimate close date, confidence rate, so let's change it, value, okay, let's edit it, and if it's one time, monthly, or annual, the contact, the close sales team, and we have like a couple of like demo contacts here, so let's leave it as is. The user is myself, and we can here add notes. That's an additional note. Okay, so we edited the notes. Add custom fields, so we can product, renewal date, contract link, and tracking ID, so we can add them, and we can save the changes that we created. And after that, we have like custom fields. We have the current vendor, that's Stark Industries, the vendor for this deal, industry, software, and website, so on. And here you have your main feed, so it shows you what you did, so that I completed this task here. And you have like a welcome letter from the close sales team. Here, a qualification call, so like a demo feed here for your business. And you have here your inbox where you can view all your letters. So we have no leads here except for this close example lead, and we can view the done or the future one. So if we click on it, we can view here the lead, we can email them, we can call them here. It says it's from close sales team to myself as a reply, so you can send, receive, and track your email conversation within close. And I can here forward or reply to this email, and I can delete it. So here all items, you have emails, you have calls, so we don't have any calls, SMS, and tasks here. And here for the email, I can, as I told you, reply to it here if I can mark it as done, of course, and I can snooze this item to appear later in my inbox here. So let's reply. Okay, got it. Okay, and here we can view the opportunities. We can view here the main pipeline. So that's your main pipeline here. You have demo completed, proposal sent, and contract sent. So you have here three demos: the close, the blood company, and the Wayne Enterprises. You can edit any lead here, and you can drag and drop them here to like change the status, so proposal sent or contract sent. And you can also mark it as won or lost. So let's say we won this deal, so here it's not shown now. So this one, let's say we close this or lost this. Okay, sorry, it's lost, so mark as lost. Okay, it says the contract sent, and so on. So here you have your main pipeline, and if we scroll up, you can view your list. So we have here these opportunities as lists, not as pipeline. So you can view all their details, but in a different view. And here you have the leads. You have these three leads here, these three example leads. Of course, the statuses here are shown, and you can click on any of them here, or you can click on the plus icon here to add a new lead, so the company name and the contact name, and you can import their data. So let's close it for now. And you also can view your contacts. Here, of course, there are all sample contacts, since I haven't added any contacts yet. So we have Bruce Wayne, that's the Dark Knight, of course. And here you have workflows, and you can view also your reports. So here, if you go to reports, you can like get an overview or like report of your business and your actions. So here you have created 2 leads, you have received 1 email, and so on. So you can get like advanced statistics and reports on your business. So that was an overview, a quick overview of the Close CRM platform and its features.